Today is Friday, July 29th. I'm not going to talk about the market today. We'll look at a tool to use in the market. This is a tool on Technician. And when you have a gap up pending like we have on Alphabet or Google today, like we saw on Facebook yesterday, you want to know, well, what's that going to do to the indicators? If it gaps up there, is it going to be overbought? Is it going to be okay to buy? Should I think about fading the gap? Should I go with it? Interesting questions. So Technician actually can help you with that with its price projection tool. And let's take a look at that right here in the drawing menu. Click on projection. And now I have a chart of Google. I can't call it Alphabet. I can see Bollinger Bands here, RSI below. I want to see what happens when it gaps up today. And right now it's in the pre-market trading around 801. So what I'm going to do is just click the chart and then bring it up to about 801. Well, I hit 802, but that's okay. It's close enough. And just chop that off right there. So what we see here is that price is now above the upper Bollinger Band. And that's not necessarily bad. And Bollinger Band sometimes being above the band is a continuation. But look what's going on with RSI. RSI jumped from, say, a regular strong reading to overbought above 80. So that's the decision to make. Do you want to jump in on this gap and get in there? Or do you want to fade that gap and maybe take profits or even short the stock? I'm not going to tell you what to do there, but this tool can help you see what the indicators are going to do next. And let's take it a step further. We can actually see what happens if the stock plays out to a scenario we have in our head. Check this out. Okay, all I did was say, what happens if Google just jumps up there and kind of stays there? Doesn't do anything else. What happens to the indicators? And you can see it's well back within Bollinger Bands. RSI has come back down significantly, possibly in a bearish divergence. So it's just a tool to help you project your opinion on what the stock might do and what that's going to do to indicators, and that can help you decide if you want to buy, sell, or hold.